Welcome back, everybody. My name is Sergey. I am the owner of Architectural Mall. Today we're talking about a product called GFRC. GFRC stands for glass fiber reinforced concrete. What is the benefit of that? The first benefit is that you're able to make a fireproof, because concrete is fireproof, product at a much thinner scale than traditional concrete. GFRC, like I said, is glass fiber reinforced concrete. You can see right here all the fiberglass. Typically it is 5 to 6% fiberglass content by weight. The typical shell thickness is a minimum 3/8 of an inch and goes up from there. Typical weight, depending on the thickness, is anywhere from 2.5 pounds to 4.5 pounds per square foot. The density is around 125 to 130 pounds per cubic foot. There's multiple finishes available. You have your smooth or textured, you have your paint grade, which is this part right here. You can see it's just raw Portland cement with fiberglass. Or we have a pre-finished GFRC, like you see here. The difference is the initial layer is a very thin finished layer with no fiberglass that's backed then with the Portland cement and fiberglass. The tensile strength is around 1100 psi. The flexural strength is 2600 psi. Compressive strength is around 9500 psi. For most of you that means nothing. For people that are in the trades, architects, designers, that is critical. And the impact strength is about 12.5 pounds per square inch. The benefits of GFRC, as I stated in the opening, is that it is naturally fireproof, meaning it will not burn. The limitations of GFRC are typically 4-foot pieces. Anything larger than that will be multiple pieces. The other downside to GFRC is the weight. Even though it will be a fraction of what solid concrete or stone would be, from all the products that we offer, it is definitely the heaviest. It's universal, meaning we can virtually do anything from it. Cornice, columns, accents, bands, even domes in some respect. It is a great product. Most of what we manufacture in GFRC was a design by an architect that then becomes a standard mold. So if you want to learn more, go to our website. There's a lot more data, a lot more pictures available of projects, and a lot more information on this product. Thanks for following us, and stay tuned.